The lemon is over there. Each one of these goes, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you've got to make certain it goes the whole length, down close, down close. That's it. You get all the lemon juice out of it. Right, now start that one again. Right. Okay, go buddy. Come on, we're racing against time. Okay, now do it again. From that end up, quick. No. Discard that one, give that to me. You go with that one, you go there, quick. Right, that's it. Now the 2 middle ones.
Really?
Yep, just do as you're asked. You're in my area at the moment.
It'll be the first time in his life.
I'm staying out of that one. This is my barbecue place. Right, and on there. Go for it, man. Don't look at me.
Be the slave, 没错.
Okay, I did it on that one. Just
Okay, yep, that's good. In there. Right, now you invite your parents to sit down and receive lunch.
Come sit down and receive lunch.